Hi, Joe Glavin with City Floor Supply, and today we are on a job site where the contractor is going to install 3/4 inch engineered flooring over concrete. They're going to do concrete prep work, so they're going to grind out some high spots, take off any superfluous concrete spots that, you know, just the irregular pour, any of the plaster, drywall compound, get all that off the floor. They'll vac it, tack it, and then what they're going to do is apply Bona's R540 moisture vapor barrier. So they're going to roll that out, and that's going to help to essentially stop any moisture vapor transmission that may come from underneath the slab through the concrete to the adhesive and the floor. The adhesive that they're going to use is also going to be Bostik Greenforce. Between the sealer and the adhesive, there'll be no moisture getting to that wood floor and affecting the adhesive so that it weakens it or allows it to pull off. So by sealing the concrete and then using the adhesive, we're going to get a 90–95% barrier for moisture vapor transmission. It's going to get loud, it's probably going to get dusty, but that's what it's going to take to get this concrete prepped so that a engineered wood floor can be installed over it. And it'll be a pre-finished product, so there'll be no sanding down here. We're going to put down wide plank floor supplies, 468 hickory with a antique mahogany stain on it. It's also upstairs, they're doing the same floor, but down here it's just going to be the 468 hickory engineered 3/4 of an inch installed below grade on concrete.